शहर हैदराबाद की पुलिस ने आज 2017 की इख्तितामी प्रेस मीट मुनक्कद करते हुए जारिया साल पेश आए मुख्तलिफ़ जराइम पर तबसरा किया है। इस मौके पर कमिश्नर वी श्रीनिवास राव ने कहा है कि जारिया साल जराइम के तनासुब में इजाफ़ा हुआ है। पेश है इस मामले पर हमारे नुमाइंदे जासिम जाबरी की ये रिपोर्ट। किसी भी माशरे में नज़्म ज़ब्त, लॉ एंड आर्डर की सूरत हाल को कंट्रोल करना पुलिस की जिम्मेदारी होती है। हुकूमत पुलिस को अवाम की जानो माल के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए इस्तेमाल करती है। महेंद्र रेड्डी को हैदराबाद कमिश्नर के ओहदे पर फाइज किया गया था, जिसके बाद सभी ने देखा है कि महकमे पुलिस में रिश्वत का तकरीबन ख़ात्मा हो गया था और जराइम की शरह में इंतहाई कमी हुई थी। जब उन्हें तरक्की देते हुए DGP बनाया गया, उसके बाद वी श्रीनिवास राव को कमिश्नर हैदराबाद बनाया गया। उनके आने के बाद क्राइम धीरे धीरे बढ़ने लगा और अब सारे शहर में जराइम का तनासुब बढ़ गया है, जिसका खुद कमिश्नर ने इस तकरीब में एतराफ़ भी किया है। आइए देखते हैं वो इस बारे में और क्या कह रहे हैं।
0.66 lakh of them across Hyderabad. The best thing is they are linked to the command control centers of local police stations, zonal control rooms, as well as command and control center, central command and control center. Similarly, we have taken a lot of initiatives, especially as regards Bharosa Center, where we are going to have a court away from court within Bharosa Center within a few months. From there, court proceedings can be conducted in gender-related cases. The special permission has come to us this year. Also, the detections have been commendable. Tremendous in terms of the land grabbing cases running into tens of acres in Hyderabad city by CCA. Traffic performance has been great because we could see reduction of more than 100 deaths in accident cases when compared to 2016. 2016 to 2017 there has been a reduction of 100 deaths and injured persons also reduced by more than 400 during the year in traffic accidents, and pedestrian deaths reduced by 50. These are a few of the highlights of this year's 2017 performance by Hyderabad City Police.
Rise in drunk and drive cases. So how you are planning to stop that drunken drive, and can you give me the
It doesn't come to the police as such, it may come as otherwise, but it will not directly come to police, number one. Number two, as you said, the drunken drive cases, increase in drunken drive cases means increase in our efforts, actually increase in number of teams deployed on the job. So as you were mentioning, this New Year's Eve also, we have increased our activity on this way of providing law and order personnel attached to them, because midnight shift is not available in traffic as such. That's it. There will be limited number of people available on traffic shift. Similarly, we are even strengthening them by giving additional forces from CR also. That way, we are increasing our efforts during these 4-5 days.
Tell me about this.
There is no plan as such. Where there is an ID card, we try to take the ID card into account so that the repeat offenders can be taken into consideration, because repeat offences have to be monitored. So other is one of the help of other.
So tell us about the conviction rate, sir. How well does it compare with the last year?
Conviction rate, it will look as if it has come down a bit, because it has come slightly to a slightly lower figure of 24% now, whereas it used to be somewhere near 30% last year. But this was due to 5 Lok Adalats happening last year, which 10,000 cases, more than 10,000 cases were solved by reconciliation. This is a much better method of having cases resolved. Another thing is pre-2012 cases. When Supreme Court gave such instructions that pre-2012 cases have to be resolved within a time of 1.5 years. Hyderabad has been in the forefront of resolving that issue. We already resolved 50% of pre-2012 PT cases.
So there is no mention about.
In fact, if you look at it carefully, there is a case in which we have taken action. You will find it in our annual report.
So what about the illegal business running in the late night, like hotels and food stalls and pawn shop and all? the night duty officers are hurting to the common citizen, but considering to the hotel and bunch of owners and all.
There may be some stray cases because we monitor especially where it matters, especially pubs, restaurants, where it really matters, public order. We have been reading the minutes also at which they are closing. So there could be some stray cases.
My final question in and around Hyderabad, particularly if we talk about Hyderabad, there are almost over a dozen cases. But so far no concrete action has been come, whether it's charge sheet or arrest. There are cases getting registered against him. But if it comes on the front of whether he's...
It's on hand, but more than 30 instances they got cases registered as far as I know information. And in more than 10 instances cases were charged. So to say that cases have not been investigated, charge is not.
He is a habitual offender in Kochi. He is time and again he is making. Recently, last week also there was a FIR booked or lodged against him in one of the police units.
दोस्तों अब आप रहिए हर वक्त तैयार,
क्योंकि हम आपके लिए लाते हैं ताज़ा तरीन खबरों का अंबार।
चाहे घर हो, बस हो या रेल,
हम करेंगे आपको अपडेट एवरीवेयर।
तो लाइक कीजिए,
शेयर कीजिए
और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
7H न्यूज़, आपकी आवाज़।